Good morning, my dear student. Today your physics class. So continue with the last class. You check it. After the 1 week, again you see it, the physics class. The magnetism chapter. Magnetism means electric effect of current and magnetism. So magnetism part, last part of this chapter is the torque and moving coil galvanometer and voltmeter ammeter. Those are the last part of this chapter. So you find out the torque. Torque means you know it from your 11th class. Torque equal to force into perpendicular distance between them. That means F into D. Okay. So my dear student, you check here. Current. Torque on a current carrying rectangular loop, not the circular loop, a rectangular loop placed in a uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. So magnetic field and the current is there. So it creates some force according to Fleming left hand rule. You know it, the Fleming left hand rule. This is the direction of the current. This is the direction of the magnetic field. That is the force. When the current is placed in a magnetic field, that field must be uniform. The current creates some force. The direction of the force is this. So those are perpendicular to each other. So my dear student, you check here in which direction the force create on that field. So you consider the direction of the field is this. Okay, a rectangular loop is here, means coil. Loop is here. The direction of the current is this. So my dear student, you check it. The direction of the current is this. You consider this side. Suppose you consider the loop is A, B, C, D. So AB side, you check here, the direction of the current is upward and the field is this. So direction of the force is inward. Suppose this inward the board. Okay. So force means, you know it, F equal to Q into V cross B. Okay. Q into L by T into B. That means Q by T means I into L into B. Okay. So I into L into B into sin theta. Am I clear, my dear student? So you check here. Further, BC is perpendicular on the magnetic field. BC, this direction is the magnetic field. BC is here. So BC is perpendicular on it. So you check here this side. Again, AB side. AB side is perpendicular on it. That means the sin 90 equal to 1. Next is BC is with the direction of the magnetic field. That means theta equal to 0. Due to this, that is equal to F2. Suppose F2 equal to 0. F1 equal to this. F2 equal to 0. Similar way, CD means this direction. You consider the current is this and the magnetic field is that, and the force is onward the board. So you check here, this is the rectangular loop, field is this direction. Okay, my dear student, this is the AB, this is the CD, BC, CD and DA. So this and that are same direction, theta equal to 0. So F equal to 0. But this and that are perpendicular to each other. Due to this direction, the force is this. Due to that direction, the force is that. So due to the same forces acts on the rectangular two sides, okay, and the values are the same, forces are same, so they creates the torque, and it will be rotated with respect to a axis. It will be rotated. Okay, this side. You check, my dear student. So the rectangular loop will be rotated with respect to a axis, this side. Okay, so it will be rotated with respect to a axis. So what will be the value of torque? Torque equal to F into D. Torque equal to F into D. Force into perpendicular distance between them. So magnitude of the either force and lever's arm means the lever arm means this. Okay. So what is the value of force? F equal to B into I into L. Okay. B into I into L, and this is the side, lever side. So that value will be B. So B into I into L into B. L into B means B into I into area of the rectangular loop. So B into I into A. If you consider it, this value is the F. F equal to I into L into B into sin theta into D means the AD, the B. So that value will be B into I into A into sin theta. Sin theta means theta equal to 90 degree. So that value will be B into I into A. So we can write it here, tau equal to I into A cross B. Tau equal to I into A cross B. Tau equal to I into A cross B. Okay, my dear student. So this is the vector notation, you use it, that is the torque. And current loop by the magnetic dipole. Current loop means, you know it, according to the direction of the current, the magnetic pole creates due to the direction of the current, you know it. If the direction of the current is this, that time this pole is the south pole, and if you see the direction of the current is that, means according to your letter, you write it the letter and arrow sign is this. So this is the north pole and that is the south pole. Okay. So next part is this, the moving coil galvanometer. So my dear student, next day again I discuss you the moving coil galvanometer. So today up to this portion, the torque created by the rectangular loop when it is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Okay. Thank you my dear student.